Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell about AI hallucinations or artificial hallucinations. Actually, I already explained that generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini, they used to create incorrect details. So if you are giving prompts, we cannot expect correct reply always. Sometimes the AI tools used to give incorrect information. That may be completely wrong, or some illogical things may be there. So wrong information will be there. Okay, so we need to be very careful in using their response. Okay, so I already mentioned that. Okay, so actually it is named as AI hallucination, this process. Okay, there may be a lot of different reasons for this thing to occur. One key thing is insufficient training data or incorrect training data. If the models are trained with insufficient data, then these kinds of hallucinations will occur. Okay, and the training data might be biased. Okay, or that AI models may be doing wrong assumptions. So there may be different reasons, but as a end user, we don't have much control other than verifying the results clear properly and then start using it. Okay, so these kinds of AI hallucinations are very risky for using AI tools in medical field and self-driving cars like that. Lot of discussions are going on how to handle that kind of AI hallucinations. Okay, so from user perspective, as a user, we need to be very careful in using AI outputs. Okay, it is happening with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, everywhere. I observed that many times. Okay, so if you are familiar with them, you might be noticing that. If you are not noticing, you need to give more attention to your output. Okay, so you need to read the output carefully. Not only text output, in the image also a hallucinations will occur. Okay, but AI hallucinations are not completely bad. Okay, from these kinds of user perspective, they are really bad. Okay, we need to be very careful. From, as I said, medical usage and self-driving car, from that perspective, they are really dangerous. Okay, there is no question about it. But they are very much useful in the creativity perspective, imagination. It is like trying to create completely new thing. Okay, and interestingly, it can be used for some other good purpose also. Recently, it's like innovative thing. Recently, I come to know about innovation where researchers used the benefit of this AI hallucination. They used to imagine various things, right? So what the researchers did is they asked the AI tool to come up with a different chemical drug for using as an antibiotic. Okay, so in that perspective, it can do a lot of imagination and come up with a different chemical formula. Okay, so there is some usage for that kind of concept, but as a user, I can strongly say that as a user, we need to be very careful about them. We need to read the AI tools output very carefully. Sometimes if our prompts are like expecting like if they're like having huge expectation from them, unrealistic expectation, then obviously hallucination will occur. So we need to be very careful in framing our prompts. Okay, so these are the things we need to do. Okay, thanks.